Okay, I started recording. What is this? కత్తి ముక్కు చేప. ఫ్రెండ్స్, చిన్న చిన్న చేపలు, చాలా చేపలు ఆడుకోవడానికి, చూసుకోవడానికి, హరికీర్తనకు, సంకీర్తనకు. These are all shells only, na? All are shells. Gavalu, Shanku. All are shells only. Seashell garden, fully made of natural seashells. Even the flowers, everything. See, even this small leaves also. See?
It's a garden, it's a garden.
But those are all are like with seashell only. Nothing is real. Don't.
They open.
Yes, don't try to open them. And see the tree, flowers. Yeah, come here. Elephant. Wait. Hurry. Tell like I'm going inside.
No, they don't.
Okay, fine. Come. Hey, this one, these fishes, did you see? That one, the puffer fish. The puffer fish. Yes.
We saw this fish in that one cartoon, I don't know what it is. It starts with
Chinnari chepa kata.
octopus.
Okay.
Octopus.
The puffer fish is there. Octopus. Hey, the exit to entry that side. ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ
771 to 476 BC and were varying steps period 475 to 221 BC were conducted by the First Empire of China, while Shell Hound to protect his newly founded while
You can come from here. Nice. Mamallapuram means Mahabalipuram. Next is dinosaur park. Come.
Those panels are also made of shells.
Yes.
They're all coming here.
ಬಾಯ್ ತುರಿ ಯಾರು ಜಬಕ್ಕನಂತ ಒಳಗೋತಾವ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ತಲೆ ತಿರುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Important here now.
ಬಾಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾ.
ನೀನೆನ್ನಾದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಡು. ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈವ್ ಇದಾವ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಯಾಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕವ್ರ ಸಂಬರ. वो भी आएगा. Did you see train?
They are not made of shells. And look at the stars and look at
ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬಿಲ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡು ತೂಕ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಐಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಾರೆ.
ಆಗ ಇವು ಕೂಡ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಅಸలు ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಯ್ತು
ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ನಂಗೆ ಬಂದ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಶಂಕು ಬೇಗ
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬುಡ್ಡು ಬುಡ್ಡು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಶಂಕು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ನೋಡು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮ
ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗುరించి ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳೋರಿಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವ. ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೀಸ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದದಂತ. ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಓಷನು, ಅದು ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಇಂಡೋ ಪಸಿಫಿಕ್ನೇ ದೊರಕಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ಇಂಡೋನೇಷ್ಯಾನೇ ದೊರಕಿದ್ದು. ಅಂದರೆ ದೊರಕಿದ್ದಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ತೀರಿಕ್ಕಾರೆ. ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋ
38 ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ದ್ವಾರ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ.
38 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಿಲಿಪೀನ್ಸ್
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಂಡೋನೇಷ್ಯಾ ಇದು ಇಂಡೋನೇಷ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಇಂಡೋನೇಷ್ಯಾ.
ಇವು ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಕಾಲನಾಗೆ ಶಂಕು ಬಿಡಿಕಿ ಕತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಟಿ
ಆ ಶಂಕು ನೋಡು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದ ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನೇ ಕಲ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು
ಇದೆ
ಹೌದು,
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ
ಕಲ್ಲು ತೀರ ಆಯ್ತದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯುಧ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ
ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಗ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ascending order, descending order. Hari, which one is ascending order, which one is descending order here? Okay.
ಆಗ ಪಾಂಬನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್
Car, not tractor. This is a jeep.
ಹರಿ ಹರಿ ಅದು ನೋಡೋದು ಪಾಂಬನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
Gaval. ಈ ಶಂಕುಲ್ ವಿಚಿತ್ರಂಗ ಗವೆ big shankul. They are bringing and keeping it here. They should have thrown it into the ocean. Are you getting pee poo poo?
ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ಇರ್ತದ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಹಾಂ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಫಿಲಿಪ್ಪೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಂ ಮುಳ್ಳುಲು
ಮುಳ್ಳುಳು
ಮೀನ ಮುಳ್ಳುಲೆ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ಮೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿ ಬೆಲೆ
ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾಗನು ಅದು. ಎಗುಡ ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ
ಓಷನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ
ಒಲೆಯಾಗ ಜೀವ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿ ಟೊಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗದು. ಹಾಂ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮುತ್ಯಾಲು. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮುತ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಕೆ look at the thorns for that.
Mama, you sea urchins. Sea urchins.
Yes, correct.
Sea urchins.
ಅದೊಂದು ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಚಾಪತೀರ. ಹಾಂ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಿಶ್.
Are they dead?
ಡೆಡ್
ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಯವ.
ಡೆಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಯವ. ಹಾಂ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ. ಸಚಿನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂದಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಬದುಕಿನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ
ಹ್ಞೂ ಇವು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ
ಅವು ಕಾಳಿಂದಾವಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಅವೇ
ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸಾ ಕುಂದ್ರೋಗು ರೋಟಟ್ಟು ಪುಷ್ ಹಾಂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್
ಟಿಕೆಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಅದು ಕಮ್
Dummy fishes all.
ಯಾ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಬೋಟ್ ಆಕಿನ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಡೆಕಾತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಕಿರ್ತನಗೆ ಅದೇ ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಚಲೋ They're all showing how they used to hunt the fishes. Yes.
நான் வெள்ளெண்ணெய் பார்த்துருக்கேன் குடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது டக்குன்னு வந்து அது லூக்குன்னு ஒரு கேஸ்
Left Sankirtana.
No, left is Kali.
Okay, they made Kali, na?
ஆறு இங்க போறீங்க
ಫಿಶ್.
இங்க போயிட்டு வரீங்க
I'm really not sure whether they will agree or not. Seating free na? Again it will take time na. We need to sit for 10 minutes. You need to wait for 10 minutes. Come. Come. Here real starfishes.
I don't care, but I want to sit in here.
See real starfish.
These are all real.
See here the big. What do you call this? What it's moving.
Can I touch them?
No. They are not agreeing.
Oh, daddy, here one is hiding.
Yes.
This is shrimp. A shrimp. These are all known fishes. This one is blind.
Hmm.
This one is blind.
Lighting one.
Goldfish, these fish, and that fish. Like, there are 3 different types of species.
Hmm. See here it is sleeping. The starfish.
And look at that, it's a lionfish.
Yes.
2 lionfishes. That one is disguised.
Yes.
I don't. One more.
One more in the top.
Dad.
Yes.
Hey, it's like Dory. That one, Dory.
Finding
That
the.
one is like one pink color. I don't know
Yes.
what's that name. I forgot. I think that tiger fish is.
That looks like a puffish.
I don't see.
It's hiding.
I cannot.
It's a shy one, right? That's a.
Nemo.
Yes.
Finding Nemo. That one. That one.
Nemo fish.
Finding Nemo. Oh, it's like look at its lips. Look at that thing's lips.
Chinnari chepa kata. Lips fish. Snake fish.
Shark. That's a shark.
Yes.
Reef shark.
Yes. And this one, see how big it is. The head is here,
Oh, it's an ear.
and then
It's an ear.
Yes.
Here's the 3 are there.
yes.
I wonder how that fish will live. That. Look at that. Look at these little cute ones.
Yes.
And this is also like Nemo, little bit. Skippers are also there.
Yes.
This is Dory. I found Dory. I found Dory. I found Dory.
Yeah.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಇವ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗ
Come. It came like a fish.
Did you do pee-pee?
Nah.
ಕೈ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ
Look at that. It's also a different type of fish.
Hmm. These are totally different real fishes.
We saw this one.
Hmm.
This is like I don't know what to call them. These are hiding here, stupid fishes. I like this fish.
ಈ ಮೀನನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ
That is a piranha. It's a piranha.
Yes.
Not eat. 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 Eat.
That's okay. Come.
Oh my god. It's angry. Daddy, this one is like a snake.
Yes. Come.
I don't see anything.
Here.
What is that?
That is like a snake fish. Come.
Oh. This one is dead.
Come.
Wait, no. I found 2 dories again. 3, 4. Is that Daddy, oh,
ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ತೀರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿದ್ದೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ
ಓಕೆ ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಪ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ
I want to sit in car.
ಕಮ್
We will go to Daddy.
ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಯಾ ಬಜಾರ್ ನೀವು ಕುಂದ್ರಂಡಿ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ
I'm scared. Mama, what is that sound?
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪೆಲ್ಮ್ ಈಗ
Oh. There are all secret doors. Really good.
Yes, these are real pearls. If you want, you can buy also.
How much is
The real pearls, right? It is costly.
Look at this one, it has a hand on it. Two have a hand on it. Wow. Angel. Angel girl. I don't see an angel. That's it.
Come.
So many police stations. Wait, no.
और ये बहुत रेयर होता है, ये पर्ल है।
Old.
Hmm.
What will you do by buying this pearls?
Watch quickly.
What will you do by buying this pearls?
We still need to
Don't want games, okay?
go to beach.
So, but we are still taking 2 hours in the home of, those 2 hours or 1 hour you can spend here only. These are so 1 month old. So cute.
See, they are showing the pearls. 1 month old, how much size it will be. 6 months old, how much size it will be. And 1 year old.
That much size only.
Yeah, so it will take ages to get the real pearls. Come.
Daddy, the coconut holes in these.
Yes, yes, yes.
How many years would it take to develop a full big pearl?
We need to check.
Daddy,
5,000.
here. They're telling us.
No, no, no. It is just a measurements. Come.
Okay, can't you write down?
Okay.
See anything.
Okay, okay.
That's why they keep these places hidden. If thieves enter also, they will not know.
Mm-hmm.
Some pearls are attached to the clam itself. See, like that.
Yes. Did you see the?
Wait, let me see now.
No. Did you see the knife? Full of pearls.
I will see a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
I will see a doctor now. Step by step. Look at how jumbo these things are.
This was from Queen Elizabeth.
Look at this. It's like heart.
This is
It's like heart, Daddy.
Mahendra Verma sword.
Mahendra Verma. How? I think he never killed anyone using that sword.
Just a gift.
You will only have a mind of peace. What is this from? What is this from? It's like
They are showing like how the people used to
fine
take.
pearls.
Yes. Come.
There are pearls here.
They just kept for sample.
Inside there are there.
Yes. Come. So, pulse is finished. This is a store. Come. Sankirtan, it's not a museum. Come. Come, let's go to Dinosaur.
But I want to see. Can we buy one thing, please, from this store?
You
As
stand
a
here.
memory.
You stand here. Not now. Not now. Not now. I'm taking a photo. Not. Come. Here, dinosaur one.
As a memory, we'll buy one thing at
Yeah.
least.
We'll bring mummy and buy. See, 15 minutes it is.
So, Daddy, after this we'll go to horror house.
Where is horror house? That is last. Huh?
Horror museum.
Dinosaur. Go and call mummy. We'll go to dinosaur.
No.
Just ask. She asked for this. Go and call now. They are moving. Dinosaurs are moving.
I know. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur one. Last na.
Dinosaur museum, Hari.
ನರ್ಸರಿ ಆಲ್ಡೇನೋ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್
ಕದಲ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
It has an egg in its hand. Upstairs are also there. Once we'll go and see. These
They are not real. Come. ಇಲ್ಲಂತ ಓಪಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಂತ
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು
ಕಾವ್ಗೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸಿನೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು
rubber.
ಹಾಂ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಚ್
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಅದಂಗೆ ಮಿಷನ್
ಇದೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಕಮ್
ಬಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಕಸ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಡ ಹೋಗಿ
ಯಾಕೆ ಕೂತಿ
That one is blinking.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ
ಗೋ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತನ ಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ
ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ತದ ಹಚ್ಚ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಪಕ್ಕ ತರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
I'm not scared of this one.
ಕಮ್ That is also moving. Not looking good.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ವಾಲಿ ಸಲಹೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮುಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡು
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೋಲು ತಾರೀಕು
ಹಾಲಿಂದ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ
चलो
ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಲ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗೋದು ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಗ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ನೋಡು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಅಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡೇ
That is only for photos.
No, let's see what is there. Photos only we will take. Come.
Okay, come. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಂಡಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
But we had this one in the
Mufasa. get it. Come.
The wall. We should bring it and give her now. This one.
Show like pushing the door. Push the door. Yeah, okay. Fast. Hold the lollipop. Squirrel, squirrel. Crown. Yeah, for Har Kirtana size it is good. Chal.
And there's still one more. One more. One more.
Butterfly, butterfly. Wait, I am not ready.